Okay, student. Today we are going to discuss a new chapter number 7, alternating current. Okay, chapter 7. So alternating current. So first we want to know what is alternating current. What is the alternating current? So a current whose whose magnitude changes continuously. So a current whose magnitude changes continuously and there is a change in direction. And there is a change in direction after regular interval of time. After regular interval of time is called alternating current. So alternating current. So alternating current or definition. So a current, the definition of the alternating current is there. So a current, okay, a current, okay, this a current whose magnitude changes continuously, whose magnitude changes continuously and there is a change of direction, and there is a change of direction after regular interval of time. After regular interval of time is called an alternating current. Okay, so this is the definition. So alternating current, what is alternating current? So a current whose magnitude changes continuously and there is a change of direction after regular interval of time is called a alternating current. So the expression of the alternating current, the expression of the graphically we can draw. So graphically we can draw first this is actual line. Okay, this is actual line here. This is the shape of all. This is the shape of the alternating current. Here time starting from 0 to this is the time period. What time period is 2 t. This is the middle time. This is t by 2. Okay. Here this is the direction of the eye. This is direction of the current, and this is the direction of the time. Okay. So alternating current we can express this I is equal to I naught sine omega t. The expression of the alternating current we can write expresses as I is equal to I naught sine omega t. Here I naught is called a peak value. I naught is called a peak value of the current. So peak value means the highest point. Look at this is the peak value. Okay, this is the peak value. This is the main point I naught. Okay, I naught. This is the peak value of the alternating current. Okay, here omega, this is the omega. Omega is called what? Omega is called angular. Okay, all of you know this. This is angular frequency. All of you know this. This is omega. Omega is called angular frequency, or the expression of the omega is twice pi, this is mu. Okay, so omega is equal to what? Omega is equal to this is twice pi mu. This is an expression of the angular frequency here. Okay. So it is very important the expression for the alternating current. Alternating current, it's I is equal to I naught sin omega t. Here I naught is called the peak value of this current. Okay. Now one question. The mean value. Next what? Next the mean value. The mean value of alternating. Next the new topic is mean value. Mean value of alternating current. Okay. So what is the mean value of the alternating current? Mean value what? The mean value of the alternating current is that value of steady current which sends same amount of charge, through a circuit for a given time period t by 2. So the definition of the mean value is that the mean value of a AC is that value of the steady current, which sends same amount of charge, through a circuit for a given time interval t by 2. Okay. First, we give the definition of the alternating current. The mean. Okay, look at here. This is the mean value of alternating current is that value of steady current. Which send same amount of charge, same amount of charge means Q in the time interval. In the time interval what? In the time interval is what? This is in the time interval. This is t by 2. Look at this time interval is t by. So t by 2. So t by 2 means what? This is, we can take that this is a half cycle. Okay, this is time. This is t by 2. For the alternating current, time period is t by 2. Okay, t by 2 means this is the half period of that system. So how we can find out the mean value of the alternating current? First, we give the definition of the alternating current. Okay, hereafter we give the expression for the mean value of the alternating current. So first we draw. So to denote to give the expression of the mean value of the alternating current, first we draw the IT graph. Okay. First we draw the IT graph for the time interval is t by 2. Now look at this. Okay. Now look at this. Okay. First this is origin O. Here we draw a half circle. Half circle means the time interval is t by 2. So this half circle is divided in a small part. Look at this. This is divided into a small parts. So how many parts are there? There are number of parts is n. So if anyone asks you that how many parts are there, then we can say that there are number of parts is n. So let us assume this is called IT graph. Okay, this is I here current. I means the current. This is the T is the time period. So let us assume the first for the first current is I1, for the second current is I2. Similarly, up to this is the last term. Okay, so this is the last term. The current passes through this is IN. So we can say, so let us consider the IT graph for an alternating kind half of its circle. Okay, now look at from this diagram. Let us consider the I dash t IT graph. Let us consider the IT graph of consider the IT graph for the cyclic what? For the cyclic is this is 3/2. Okay, for the cyclic is 3/2. So how many parts are there? There are number of parts is n. So we can write let I1, I2 dot this is IN be the current. IN be the current passes. IN be the current passes for each time interval. Passes for each time interval. For each time interval. Time interval is what? This is time interval is T/2 into n. Okay. For a time interval is T/2. Okay. We can write this is T/2 into this is n. Okay. So now take the search. Let Q1 be the search followed for for the first time interval I1 be the current. So for this first interval we assume that the search passes through is Q1. Okay. Now look at this. Now okay, let Q1 be the source. Let Q1 be the source. Q1 be the source for the first time, for the first interval. Okay. Okay. Let Q1 be the first for the this is time interval. Okay. Okay. यही करेक्ट होगा अभी. Therefore, from in chapter 3 we know that Q is equal to IT. Okay. Therefore, we can write as this is Q1. We can write as Q1 is what? This is Q1 is equal to this. Q1 means IT. This is time is I1. Time interval is what this is? Time interval is T/2 into this is n. Okay. T/2 into n. T/2 is twice n. Similarly, we can write as Q2. Q2 is equal to what? I2 into this is T/2 n dot this is Qn. If we take the search Qn, then we can take this Qn is equal to In into what? This is T/2 n. So for each time interval, we get the search Q1, Q2, Qn. Okay. Now, if we take the total search, total search means the sum of all the search. Okay. Similar now, therefore, if we take the total search, therefore, the total search, the total charge means what? Capital Q is Q1 plus Q2 up to what this is? Up to this is Q and Q1, Q2 plus up to Qn. So if we put the value Q1 means what this is? I1 into T by twice and Q2 means I2 into T by twice and plus dot up to last term. This is what? In into this is T by twice n. Okay? T by twice n. Now, okay, we take common s. This is what this is. We can write this. This is I1 plus I2 plus I3 plus dot up to this is In divided by n. We can write it into this is what this is T by 2. Okay. So this is the mean value of the current. Here number of parts is n. The sum of the current is what? I1, I2, I3 up to In, and is divided by n. So this is, we can write this is I am into this is T by 2. Here I am means actually mean means the average. Mean means the average. Okay. So here we can write as look at here. So where I am denote what? I am is equal to this n I1 plus I2 plus I3 I4 up to this is In. Here I am is called I am be the mean value of AC for the search Q. I am is called the mean value. I am is called the mean value of AC alternating current for the time interval what? For the time interval what this is? Time interval what? This is T by 2. Okay. So for time interval this is T by 2. So therefore we can write what? Therefore we can write Q is equal to what? This is I am into this is T by 2. Therefore Q, the Q, capital Q means the total charge. Q means this is Q is equal to what? I am into T by 2. So this is the mean value of AC. So therefore we can write this is the mean value. This is the mean value of the alternating current. Okay, this is the mean value of the alternating current. Okay.